we are going to get into our little most recent because everybody is definitely glued to their phone or their lifestyle. We're going to get into the most recent. It's definitely a game to get a little bit more acquainted to you. So our most recent is pretty much what is the last thing that you have done. So what is the most recent emoji that you have used?
Easy, the praying hands. Because I'm a prayer girl. I'm always praying. Even in the emojis, even in text message, I'm praying.
Okay. All right. And what is the most recent piece that people have been asking you about, a part of your collection?
Oh, yeah. So it's one that you'll see today. It's called the Green Madam. It's a full head to toe.
Oh, I seen the girl.
Which one?
I seen the girl.
Oh, yes. The Green Madame. It's
Madame.
a full polyester, teal, green, aqua bluish sequence, head to toe, suit, jacket, trouser number. It's my favorite. When I saw the material, I instantly knew this is it. And then I made the jacket and the trousers out of it, and everybody loves it.
Yes, definitely. It's definitely, you know what? I'm going to save my opinions for it later because it's a part of another segment. But yes, I seen the girl. Okay. All right. Yes. Your most recent meal. What did you last eat?
Ribs and French fries. What did you eat most recently?
Some pancakes, egg whites, papaya juice. I had a whole ensemble this morning. Okay?
That sounds really healthy.
And I'm still full. Okay.
Yeah, that sounds really healthy. So wow, good for you.
And last but not least, who was the most recent person you spoke to?
My sister.
Okay. So you guys have a close relationship, or was she congratulate?
We're very, very close. She's actually she's here today. She's going to model 2 of the pieces.
Okay. Sis, we see you.
Her.
Okay. Yes. All right. So